Hey, Project Fam, y'all ready? Well, previously on Projects and Problems. I'm thinking it'll be another 2 weeks. I am installing a short shifter. And for those who check in part numbers, this is the part number. Can we do that? And that. I'm not seeing any difference. Oh, that demonstration was a bust. And it feels pretty good. Let's test it out. All right, so if you didn't catch the other video, there it is right there. That's a thumbnail. Check it out. Here I am. I'm inside the garage. I add a little bit more light, so a little brighter, Color's a little off. Like the car is not silver. It's a light blue, believe it or not. It's a cold. All right, that's a little better. And I think while I'm outside, I'm actually going to start up the beast. I don't even hear the beast running. All I see is the smoke from the exhaust. It's a little chilly outside. So, all right, volume is down. Car is still running, but I know I'm going to pick up the backpack and start blowing out the garage. One of the things I love to do. Every time I open the door, I get I get leaves, dust, and I like to blow it out periodically. So obviously, this is a little weird. First of all, when I'm recording my voiceovers, this is where I am, and this is how it looks. I'm sitting in front of a microphone. I'm very comfortable talking in front of the microphone. The only thing that's different today is you could actually see me as I record the video. So I did not proof the video. Every video that I make, if it's 8 minutes long, I watch it at least 4 times. And 8 minutes times 4 minutes, that's 32 minutes. I spend a lot of time preparing these videos, but this one I didn't because I wanted to give you my honest reaction. I wanted to talk to you about some of the things I do in the video. And if it's not perfect, oh well, it's an experiment. I'm blowing inside the car, go figure. So today's video, I purchased a hardtop. It was a hardtop that here I am. I'm delivering it now. Well, I'm not delivering it. I'm having it delivered. Nice. So it's white. It doesn't match the car. I thought I made a really good purchase based on price and the interior color. I thought it was all black. Obviously, since I said I thought. You know that's wrong. I knew it needed some body work, some scratches and things, but I knew I was going to do that anyway, so that's nothing new. I don't want to break this. This is not the first hardtop that I tried to purchase. So the first one I tried to purchase was actually in Riverhead, and the guy said he'll bring it up to Smithtown. For those of you not familiar, it's Long Island. It's probably about maybe an hour and a half, I think it is, or 45 minutes. And apparently he put it on the back of a trailer, and the wind got it and broke the glass and broke the support. It's a little flimsy on its own. Obviously, it has more support when it's actually mounted to the car. So I got the hardtop in. I did not install it because it needs the proper mounts. And I do have the mounts. Actually, when you're watching the video, I don't have the mounts yet. But I have to figure out if I'm going to make a part 2 or I'm just going to magically show you that, you know, the mount to there and it looks a little different. So you're checking it out with me as I get inside. And at this point, I'm thinking it's black. I'm thinking the hardtop up top is black. If you see a gap from where the hardtop meets the car, that's right, because I didn't mount it yet. I just kind of set it on top because I bought something and I wasn't even sure if it fit. Like, go figure. Some scratches, little dents. I can sand it, I can paint it, but those little strips, a little concerning because okay, those little strips to the bottom, looks like 2 stripes. That's actually a channel that comes out. It might be for like a roof rack. Maybe that's what it's for. But from what I've read, obviously 20-year car, it's very brittle. I can snap off those things. I don't want to snap it off, or I put a roof rack on the top of the hardtop. Oh, for my skis and things. It'll probably be for hardware, things I buy from the store and bring it back on the top of a Porsche. Yeah, go figure. All right, so I took it off again. Enlisted the help of my son.
All right, I'm gonna need help putting it on the car.
It looks black, doesn't it?
I honestly didn't even know what color it was. I thought it was gray. Does that look gray? That's straight black, right?
Black.
Yeah, that's black.
That's gray.
No, look in the car.
What are you talking about? How is it gray?
Okay, alright. That's black.
Maybe he just said it's black because he didn't feel like being there. I don't know. But, dude, it is straight dark blue. It's navy blue. And although my car is polar blue, no, it's polar silver. Is it polar silver or polar? I forgot. It's a polar something. And it has a hint of blue. I just didn't like it. Look, set it down a little bit. Actually, no. You see over here in the front? Trying to mount it in the front, you're supposed to there's two slots, one on each side, and you're supposed to just kind of push it in, or an indentation, and set the two rear tabs down inside the hole. I don't know, the longer I look at this white, the longer I like it. Light white. The longer I look at this roof white, the longer I like it. It might find itself being white. I don't know. I'm kind of digging it. Yeah, it has dents. I need you to talk me off the ledge, because I am so ready to paint that white. So here are my options for the roof, right? I have white, which it is now. I have glossy black, which would match the side mirrors, which are black currently. And I have polar blue, which is the color of the car itself. So those are my three options that I've been toying with in my mind. All right. That's in. That little pin is in too. That's the latch in the middle.
Front is locked.
Front is locked.
Good. The back is not locked, but I knew about that already. We got a little bit over there. That's all right.
I wonder at what point do I realize that it's blue? Good. I'm still thinking it's black.
We're good.
All right.
I won't need you until it's time to take this thing off and fix the mounting hardware.
Yeah, he looks so excited.